Mbere ya bunge ya Senate agitariria mathina maria makunikite ministry ya barabara na ũkuui, Minister Kipchumba Murkomen augite thini wa bajeti iria mendekithitie ya ciringi bilioni 165 ministry iyo iriyo na ciringi bilioni 25 iria nicio cieboketwo gutwarithia na mbere mutaratara wa waki wa barabara iria ikwamite.
22% of the roads maintenance levy fund is allocated for the maintenance of constituency roads and the 10% for maintenance of link roads between constituencies. These allocations are shared equally across all the 290 constituencies in the 47 counties, with variations only resulting from the number of constituencies per county.
Minister oyo ugite thirikari ikoretwo na kibarua kiritu gia kuriba ene kandarathi gwaka barabara na mbeca nini niguo mathie na mbere na gwaka, akiuga gutangiri uguo ni mangithitangite thirikari niguo kumoreria mbeca ciao, ende nayo thirikari mwena uyu ungi irathie igikunderaga kimubuko
na hela ambazo uko nazo unasema hazitoshi. Sijui ni mbinu gani unatumia, ni kusema ya kwamba utatengeneza barabara moja katika sehemu ya Laikipia, ile nyingine utatengeneza katika sehemu ya Nyeri, ama ni yule ambaye atakaye kuja kwa ofisi yako mara nyingi, ama ni yule atakaye kupigia simu mara nyingi, ama ni rafiki yako.
If you do not make an attempt to continue paying the contractors, the problem that will come in is that you are worsening the interest, okay? And some contractors will leave now side completely, and they will take action, legal action against the ministry and the agency. Therefore, to return them will become difficult.
Kuringana na minister wa barabara na ũkuui, thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yegwithanirie gutigakorwo na tabarira njeru o nginya iria nguru irereka.
That is why this administration also, when we came to office, we made it clear to the country that we are not going to start new projects until we complete the projects that are in place, because this disease was going to be carried forward continuously year in, year out, and we were living a lie. And that's why we must confront the reality on the ground.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Mase, Wadia wa Murithi.